Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to embed code in Canva website. Okay, so the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to log into your Canva account and then make sure to open your website. Okay, so once you are on your Canva website, what we are going to do here is to get the code from the other website. Okay, so for example, I have here my other Canva website. So I'm just going to use the code of this website so that I can show you how you can embed a code to your other Canva website. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to get the code. So I'm just going to click on the share option. That's right, and then click on this copy link. Okay, so I'm just going to click on allow view access for this code. After that, open your Canva website. Now, what you're going to do here is to click on this apps option at the left side of your screen. That's right, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for embed and then click on this one. Now, right here, you have this embed option. So you just have to click on it. Then you have to paste here the web link. Okay, and then click on add to the sign. That's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see right here, your website has been added to this Canva website. So what you're going to do here is to just put here to the other pages or add a new section for this code. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.